Hey everybody, as you might have read in the title, this is our farewell video. But don't be too sad because we're starting a new channel. We'll have the link in the description below. Now on to today's video. Today we're looking at the GALAX GeForce RTX 2080 SG. SG stands for Serious Gaming Edition. There is actually two different versions of this card. There's one that has a USB Type-C port and one that has a HDMI port, which I find quite interesting to have two separate lines with just changing the port for an identical spec'd GPU. As you can see, when we opened up the box, it left quite a few fingerprint marks on the matte black part. It's kind of hard to open this box without leaving any fingerprints at all. GALAX is basically known for two things. One is their Hall of Fame video cards, which have absolutely excellent performance. They're just ridiculous. The other thing that they're known for is more of their budget-friendly solutions that are just great value, but you just don't get too many accessories and too many fancy things. As you can see, the only extras that you get in this box is two Molex to 8-pin PCI adapters. Not even a poster, nothing like that. That's about it. So although you don't get all the accessories and added features like badges and posters and things like that, it is one of the cheapest cards on the market. And to get one of the fastest performing cards, a 2080 Ti, for such competitive pricing, it's worth it to get all those things cut out that you probably don't even really want. Do you really want a badge? Do you really want the posters? Do you need a whole bunch of adapter cables? Even the 8-pin Molex cables, do you really need them? Who actually uses them on a 2080 Ti? I would love to know if any of you need to use a Molex to 8-pin adapter for your 2080 Ti. Or any 20 series card. I'm confident almost no one has that even. So I'd love to hear if anyone does have that. I'd be super curious. So after peeling the protective plastic off, which was quite tough, it was really stuck on there really well. You see the card's pretty basic, pretty plain, but it does look good. It's nice. It does have RGB lighting on the side, so that's pretty great for most people that have the display cases. It's a good solid card overall. This is actually my friend's 2080 Ti, and he's been having no issues with it so far. It's been running for a few weeks now in his main rig, and it's running all good and the performance is great. So it's a very good value card for what you get, definitely. As I've mentioned already, this is our final video on this channel. We're actually moving to a new channel, Good Games Tech, so please join us there. We'll have all the links in the description below.